Our Irvine Culver location has a whole new look. Come check out our remodel with us, cause it's gorgeous. We're gonna try some brand new drinks from our BF bakery, plus some special promotions for our reopening weekend. What are we waiting for? Let's go!
We've been working hard to revamp our Artesia and Irvine Culver locations, and they look great.
Whoa. 99 Ranch. She got a makeover. One of the biggest things that people come to 99 Ranch for is the huge variety of produce.
With tons of different varieties from all over the world, it's no wonder people come here for their hard-to-find goodies.
Don't worry, I'm gonna buy these, I promise.
We showcase not just quantity, but also quality. Everything is delicious and fresh, and some of it is even organic. When you don't have time to cook some of our produce fresh, there's some great choices in the refrigerated section.
Bamboo shoots are one of my favorite vegetables. Luckily, pre-cooked Mizuho bamboo shoots, just pop them in the microwave, and they're delicious. Maybe get something to drink to go with it.
I know we stopped here for veggies, but what about dessert?
Ah! Black sugar boba. The latest thing in boba ice cream. So good. So good. The ice cream section, my favorite.
We really do have amazing ice cream.
Salted egg yolk ice cream bars? We gotta try this. This is either gonna be good or it's gonna be really good.
Right behind the produce and refrigerated section is the meat department, featuring top quality items like Wagyu beef and the specialty cuts that are just what you're looking for.
We have chicken, lamb, pork, and USDA prime thinly sliced beef, perfect for hot pot or shabu shabu. Speaking of hot pot,
no hot pot is complete without some seafood. Scallops, clams, squid, and a huge number of fresh fish. If you're fishing for something fishy, we've got it here.
Feature complimentary cleaning, cutting, and frying. Awesome!
We also offer complimentary steaming if you're craving some fresh Maine lobster or Dungeness blue crab.
At 99 Ranch, we've got the goods. The baked goods, that is.
Breads, cakes, and pastries galore are featured in-house at Bakery and Farms. Be sure to take a good look at our breads. You might find flavors you've never heard of.
Green tea. No. Raisin. Original. Everything!
The bakery also features freshly handcrafted drinks, including our new piping hot Thai, Taro, charcoal-baked oolong, and matcha lattes. We've also introduced 2 hot fruit teas. Enjoy a classic gocha or a kumquat lemon green tea, perfectly balanced for a fall blend of sweetness, teeness, and deliciousness.
These sponge cakes are delicious. Matcha, taro, get one to match your drink. Why not? If you want something fast, fresh, healthy, and delicious, you can't do better than our hot deli. Don't forget about our amazing Thanksgiving special featured in our last episode. This combination of deliciousness is definitely something to be thankful for. Do you buy soy sauce or do you buy soy sauce? Here in the dry goods section, we have everything you need. Noodles, snacks, sauces, hot pot bases. The imagination is your limitation. First of all, cassava, so therefore it has to be healthy. Right? That's how that works? 咸蛋三文鱼皮 is... I'm buying 5.
Be sure to stop by both our Irvine Culver and Artesia locations this weekend to get a look at the place and our special reopening promotions.
I'm your host, Yue Long. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time on Ranch Recipes. See ya!